Hi, I'm Greg, and welcome to my channel. 4.7 million people work from home. I think most of them could use this green screen hack, and it won't break the bank. Look, I'm in the Oval Office. And now I'm on Joe Rogan's podcast. Flats are not all the same. The first flat I built out of materials I found here at the office.
Green screen's just a sheet I got from Amazon. Came with clips and everything.
I think I have this shirt on in every video. Comment below. I think most of them could use this green